All right, take a look at the WORKPRO 3-piece stubby ratchet set. So there it is, and it comes with a little tray. So if you want to have something you can throw in your toolbox, you got that. So this is the 3/8. We can see we got a double knurl on this, so that's actually pretty cool. So one of the things I really like about stubby wrenches is just how fast they are, because I can just grab this whole thing, I can palm it like that, and I can quickly twist it about as fast as I can twist my wrist. So when it comes to speed, these are the best things to use for that, because you don't have that extra mass sitting out on the outside that's actually slowing you down. This is a 72-point ratchet. It is a very nice, smooth feeling ratchet, which is great. It is reversible, and it is a quick release. When I push that in, you can see it pushes that pin out, which is going to drop that detent, so I can install and remove sockets. So what's great about that is that it usually locks in a lot tighter, so I don't have to worry about this thing falling off. And if I'm working one-handed, I can still drop that off, and I can put on new sockets without having to use two hands to try to pull this thing off. So this is the style that I prefer. So you can see this is the 3/8 drive. We also got a big 1/2-inch drive, which is still great because it's still small enough that I can easily manipulate that. But this one's still plenty thick and strong enough that I can still put a lot of force on this without having to worry about damaging it. So if I wanted to, I can put a cheater wrench or a pipe or something on the end of it so I can get more torque when I need it. So something like this can be really great if you need something that's portable. And then we got our 1/4-inch drive. So if I need to install some new feet on my slider, I can easily do that. So yeah, overall, that is a fantastic set.